Hello everyone, welcome back to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn polymorphism, one code, many forms. The ability to take many forms, it allows method to do different things based on the object is acting upon. For example, a person can be a teacher, a parent, and a friend depending on the situation. Similarly, a method can behave differently based on the object it is called on. Well, let's create a class name as person like this. Then let me create a constructor underscore underscore init underscore underscore with a set of parentheses inside it. Let me add name like this. Then self dot name equal to the name like this. Then let me create one more method def dot say the method name as speak like this with a set of parentheses. Then inside the method I'm going to use the fruitful function or return like this, then a f string, then inside the double quotes say the then a curly bracket inside it the self dot name attribute, then outside of that says says hello like this. Then let me create one more class whose name as say teacher like this with a set of parentheses. Inside it you have to put the person class like this, then colon, then same the speak method like this. Just change the topic, say the self dot name attribute explains the lesson like this. And then let me create one more class whose name as say parent like this, then with a set of parentheses inside it just put the person class like this with colon. Then once again let's copy this method speak method, copy and paste here, and just change it to gives parental advice like this. And one more class whose name as say friend like this with a set of parentheses inside it just inherits from the parent class like this. Then once again just copy this speak method, then paste here and just change the output, say chats casually like this. Then outside of the function, let me create a function to demonstrate polymorphism through different rules. To do this, def, then my function name as interact with a set of parentheses inside it, just put the person class like this, then with a colon, then print person dot the speak method like this. Let's create instance of each rule. First one is teacher equal to call the teacher class with a set of parentheses. Inside it you have to put the name argument. Then parent equal to call the parent class with a set of parentheses. Inside it you have to put the name argument like this. Then friend equal to call the friend class with a set of parentheses. Inside it put the name argument like this. Let's demonstrate role based on their behavior. Let's call the interact function. Inside the argument value call the teacher, same as it is for parent, say parent, then friend like this. Then let me run this. You will get the self explains the lesson, the self gives parental advice, and the self chats casually. Key techniques for polymorphism. Method overriding allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already defined. It is called superclasses. This enables the subclass to offer a tailored version of this method. Duck typing is a concept in dynamic typing where an object's suitability is determined by the presence of certain method and properties rather than the object's type it serves. The name comes from the saying, if it looks like a duck and quack like a duck, it must be a duck. This demonstrates how the same person, sub, can have differently depending on their role, teacher, parent, friend, they are acting in, showcasing polymorphism. And these are the advantage and disadvantage of method overriding and duck typing. Polymorphism is a cornerstone of object-oriented programming, providing the flexibility and scalability needed to develop robust and maintainable software. Through method overriding and duck typing, method demonstrates its dynamic and versatile nature, enabling developers to write clean, efficient, and reusable the code.